Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Tiffany, and what we're going to do in this video is actually complete one offer, one free offer in order for us to level up. And let's get started. Okay? Now, what are the first things that you wanted to do as far as reaching this particular form is you've already completed this form, and we are ready to complete the offer that goes along with it. So this would be our actual registration form, and this is where we're going to take a look at our offers, which I found over here on the left side. And then keep in mind that every 1 credit equals 1 level. So at level 1, you'll be able to earn $5 for each referral that you have, and then that actually increases as you increase your credits as well. Okay. Now, the offer that I used was actually a free offer, and that was with the Nielsen Rewards. And with the Nielsen Rewards, Nielsen is actually a company that gathers information and measures that information in order to know exactly what is going on in the market. But this was great that I was interested in because it actually monitors instead what you're doing as far as on your computer. So what sites do you use? You may be going by, that type of thing. So it could actually be very rewarding to affect the market as well. So let's get started. From our offers page that I mentioned previously, we're going to click over here on Nielsen Rewards. It's going to take us to this page here. Now this is something that you want to make sure that you read carefully, because here you are going to actually earn that 1 credit, and at this time you don't have any credits. After completing this offer, you will have 1 credit and be on level 1, where you can earn $5 per referral. And then that gives you an opportunity to complete this offer. So we're going to click there. And that will bring us here to the Nielsen site. Okay. And with the Nielsen site, you want to go ahead and close that out. And now we're going to move forward with completing the offer. That takes us to the Nielsen actual computer and control panel. And what you want to do with this is that you want to sign up. Okay. Well, let's go back. Okay. So with the level rewards, we've already completed that. We're going to complete the offer. As far as completing the offer, it's going to ask you some basic general questions that pertain to you as far as personal information. And then from there, it's actually going to take you to the Nielsen actual website so that you'll be able to complete your offer. Now, once you've completed that offer, this is one of those actual free offers that will show up in order to receive that 1 credit. Now, the thing with this one is that it could take 1 to 2 days, is what it stated. Mine was actually returned within about an hour and a half. Okay, so go ahead and get that started, guys. That will get you to your first level as long as you go through the Nielsen Rewards. And I thank you very much. I'm going to leave on that note, and you guys have a good day.